Hey guys, I'm Kevin with JcrOffroad. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our Bronco door pocket install. So before we can get this thing on, we need to get the factory mesh pocket out of the way. So for that, you can grab the Torx Plus 30 driver out of your factory toolkit. That'll let you remove these 6 mounting bolts. And then you should be able to just pull this free from the door. So this next step is going to be something optional. It's totally up to you whether or not you do it or not, but we designed our door pockets so that you can reinstall this factory plastic trim to kind of just finish off the look once it's installed to the door. What it's going to require in order for you to do that is the removal of the factory mesh. And then you're going to need to remove all the alignment pins and clips along the back of here. So basically you're just going to be cutting them off so that they're flush with the mounting face here. You can probably do this with a razor knife or an air saw like I have here. Just work your way around and get rid of all these pins. And with all those removed, we can get this installed to the door pocket. So if you're going to be modifying and installing this trim plate, it'll simply sit over the pocket like that. You can line it up here on the door and begin installing your hardware. So then you just tighten that up, and whether you choose to run it with or without that factory trim plate, that leaves you with a nice new place for all your extra gear. So if you guys have any questions about this door pocket install or any other product we offer here at JcrOffroad, feel free to reach out to us. You can email us at info@jcroffroad.com, or you can give us a phone call at 269-353-1184.